Honeywell air purifiers can help capture airborne particles while improving indoor air quality. When you consider that 90% of our time is spent indoors, this can be especially important. The largest exposure to particles and allergens can occur indoors and include dust, pollen, pet dander, and mold, among other airborne allergens. An alternate to traditional air purifiers that require you to purchase and change filters regularly are permanent filter air purifiers. These permanent filters aren't discarded, but instead washed and reused. Here is a list of our top picks for permanent filter air purifiers. Starting off this list, we'll be taking a look at the Honeywell HFD010 QuietClean Compact Air Purifier, which is perfect for rooms up to 62 square feet. This air purifier has a permanent washable IFD particle filter, allowing for easy maintenance to help capture microscopic airborne particles such as dust, pollen, pet dander, dust mite debris, and smoke. On the top of the unit, you'll find the easy-to-use turn dial controls with 2 cleaning levels to choose from with Quiet technology. This unit is independently tested and AHAM verified to circulate and filter room air up to 4.8 times per hour in a 62 square foot room and is ENERGY STAR certified. Up next, we have the HFD280B Compact Air Genius 4 Air Purifier, which is perfect for room sizes up to 150 square feet. Not only does this air purifier capture all the same microscopic airborne particles as our previous model, but it can also help to reduce odors and VOCs by utilizing the replaceable odor and VOC reduction K filter. On the top of the unit, you'll find the control panel with 4 air cleaning levels to choose from, 2, 4, and 8-hour automatic shutoff timers, dimmer option for the control panel lights, a filter indicator light to remind you when the filters need to be cleaned, and an oscillation button. This unit is independently tested and AHAM verified to circulate and filter room air up to 4.8 times per hour in a 150 square foot room and is ENERGY STAR certified. Moving on to the HFD120Q QuietClean Tower Air Purifier. This tower air purifier is perfect for room sizes up to 170 square feet. This unit also utilizes both the permanent washable IFD particle filter for the same level of air filtration, as well as the K Genuine pre-filter as the first level of filtration to help capture those larger particles and reduce odors and VOCs. On the top of the unit, you'll find the controls for the 3 cleaning levels with Quiet technology, an oscillation button, and a filter check light with reset button that tells you when it's time to clean your filter. This unit is independently tested and AHAM verified to circulate and filter room air up to 4.8 times per hour in a 170 square foot room and is ENERGY STAR certified. Keeping the trend of small to large rooms going, next we have another in the Air Genius line with the HFD300 Air Genius 3 Air Purifier. This air purifier is perfect for room sizes up to 225 square feet and utilizes the IFD Advanced Filtration System with the K Genuine pre-filter for odors and VOCs. On the top of the unit, you'll find the easy touch button controls with blue LED lights to control the 3 air cleaning levels, oscillation feature, and the check filter indicator light with reset button that tells you when it's time to clean your filter. This unit is independently tested and AHAM verified to circulate and filter room air up to 4.8 times per hour in a 225 square foot room and is ENERGY STAR certified. And finally, we have the HFD 320 Air Genius 5 Air Purifier, which is perfect for room sizes as large as 250 square feet. This is the largest Air Genius on the list today, equipped with the same permanent IFD filter and K Genuine pre-filter as our previous models, but it includes a whopping 5 air cleaning levels to choose from. On the top of the unit, you'll find the easy touch button controls for the 5 air cleaning levels, a 2 to 12 hour automatic shut-off timer, accent lighting settings button to control the lighting on the front of the unit, and a filter indicator light letting you know when it's time to clean your filters. This unit is independently tested and AHAM verified to circulate and filter room air up to 4.8 times per hour in a 250 square foot room and is ENERGY STAR certified. For more information on permanent filter air purifiers or to purchase any of the models from this list, visit www.honeywellstore.com.